Hi, I'm Kal. I work in the camera department on films, and today I've got some stuff from RoboCup to unbox. RoboCup is an accessory brand. They're most known for their cup holders that go onto C-stands. Recently, they've dove a little bit more into accessories, so today we are going to take a look at them. Also, I don't know if I have to mention, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for all the stuff in this. First up, we got the two-piece zipper pouch set. You can put cables, tools, about anything in them. The thing that I thought was super cool, they have Velcro. And then in here somewhere, I have labels for my gear, so I can grab it quickly on set and keep things safe, keep them going. I have another set of zipper storage pouches. These ones are a little bit more robust. These are a little bit more flat. These ones a little bit bigger. Velcro front, back, and we should have a bunch of sets on the inside. Yeah. Next up is insulated drink holder. So in theory, this would hold your drinks on a stand, just straps in, keeps them a little bit colder. Looks like you could have a little bit bigger of a drink as well. Next, we've got the RoboCup holster. This goes on the original RoboCup. I'll probably